Damn, they did it again.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Band Visuals, and we're coming at you with a little restoration video with these Concord 11s. The 2018 version. You know, they have some scratches, and I don't know if you can see it yet. Some scratches and stuff on the patent leather. Not too much heel creasing, some yellowing. Very little creasing on the patent leather right here on toe box. But we got some stains up here that we got to take care of. You see right there. Yeah, it's pretty bad. We're gonna use some Rejuvenator, and then we're probably gonna end up throwing these in the washing machine just to get the best results. All right, so we're back. We got our water in our solution. We got a towel just to wipe everything off. Let's add another squirt solution. Take the laces out. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the laces out and we'll be right back. Got one lace. Jeez, I'm glad we took out the laces because we're finding some stains that we have on the tongue right here, especially on the bottom right there. Definitely gonna try and get all that out. And now we got our second pair of laces out. Like I said before, you know, a good thing we did because there's some stains on the tongue that we're gonna have to take care of. Alright, now that we have the entire shoe covered in soap, we're just going to let it sit, and we're going to start another shoe while that, you know, lets the soap soak in and get all that stuff out. Alright, now that we have our second shoe all soaked up, we're gonna grab our other shoe, and then we're gonna use our towel and just wipe it down. You know, it didn't come out too bad. You know, it was the first cleaning, so we're not expecting all these things to come out. You know, still not too bad. We're gonna get the soles quick. We're gonna start with our medium bristle brush. Now we got that all soaked up, we're going to let that sit while we wipe off the other one. Like I said, same results with these. You know, didn't take everything out, but, you know, got all the dirt that's on top out. Now we're going to hit the soles. Fuck this up. Now we got this one all soaked up. Pretty good. We're going to let that one sit, and we're going to wipe off the other one. Pretty clean bottoms. We're gonna put them in the ice box to get that yellow one out for sure. And we're gonna wipe down. Pretty clean as well. Definitely gonna get that yellow one off though. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these in the. Actually, we'll give them one more scrub. You know, just because there's a lot of dirt right there. So we're gonna give them one more scrub, and then we're gonna put them in the with the washing machine. I'm not gonna let y'all watch all this because y'all just saw it, so we'll skip to the washing machine. Show you guys the process of putting them in the washing machine. So what we're gonna do is we have our Rejuvenator shoe trees. We got 2 of them. We have our laundry bag. Now we got our shoes in the laundry bag, and now we're gonna put them in the laundry machine here. We're gonna dump our soap. We're gonna set it to cold temperature. And while those are washing, we're gonna grab our shoelaces and we're just gonna clean those up real quick. You could put them in the washing machine or you could do it by hand. Choice is yours, to be honest. So we're gonna scrunch these up. We're gonna put them in our bowl of solution. Like I said, you can put it in the washing machine. You don't have to put it inside the solution bowl. And there we go. You see now they're all white. I don't know if you can see, it's not focusing too well. But now they're all white. They used to be yellow. So we're gonna put our shoelaces to the side, and now we're gonna wait for our shoes to come out the washing machine. What's going on, everybody? We're back. This is after the washing machine. It did a pretty good job. Literally no more stains on the upper mesh anymore. Now our next step is what we're gonna do is we're gonna ice the soles. Once again, the laundry did do its job. There's literally like no yellowing on the mesh anymore. Well, not like how it was. Yeah. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these bad boys in the ice box. So stay tuned. We're back and we have our solution. We have our designated brush that we use for it and our little cup right here. So what we're gonna do is to start off with, most people tape this part right here and this part just because for safety, but I don't personally do that. I just feel like it's a waste of tape if I'm being honest. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our brush, dip it in the solution. We're just gonna evenly spread it out throughout the sole. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our plastic wrap, try to get all the sole under. There we go, we got one. And now we're gonna be moving on with our second shoe, same process. We're done with the second shoe, and just like the last one, we're gonna add our plastic wrap on top. And now we have our shoes in our ice box with our light. We're just using this just to hold up the 11s, just so they're sturdy and the light evenly affects the whole sole. So we're gonna turn the light on, and now we're gonna let them sit for about 24 hours, and we'll be right back. Yo, what's going on, everybody? We just finished cleaning these up. I'd say they came out pretty. Definitely the wash machine did its job and the icebox did its job. If you have any questions, just DM me at Clutch Sneakers and make sure to check me out. Size 11.5 OG box. Let me know if you're interested. With that being said, stay tuned for the next video. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe if you haven't already. More content is coming soon. And don't forget to follow both Instagram.